Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name's Kem. In case you're curious, thank you for joining me for another video. And if you're new, then welcome. It's a special occasion, so I decided to give y'all a face today. But I'm a style ambassador for Kinky Tresses for the summer, and I'm so excited to bring you guys the content that I'm gonna be bringing. It's gonna be different than what I usually do, but I'm super excited. So it comes and it looks like this. These are the products that they sent me. They sent me 5 full-size products. And then it says kick dry hair to the curb on the box. And it also comes with a card. Shauna Moses is the owner, founder and owner. Black owned, Black woman owned, which is exactly what we love. Anyway, I'm just gonna get into the products. The first one is the Avocado Infusion Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. It cleanses hair and scalp without stripping away natural oils, moisturizes as it cleans, and is for dry, brittle hair. It's 8 fluid ounces made with natural ingredients and suitable for all curl types. And this one has a very light, fresh scent. It smells really good. I'm very excited to try it. And probably the next video you guys see, you'll be seeing me actually use these products. So that's exciting. Next is the Avocado Infusion Restorative Conditioner. It moisturizes, nourishes, and strengthens. It's for dry, brittle hair. 8 fluid ounces made with natural ingredients and suitable for all curl types. Now this is a thick boy right here. You would have thought this was their butter. Like, look at this, y'all. Thick, super thick. But it's like whipped because it's very, very light. Like, it's a very light conditioner, like in weight. But it is whipped and thick on the inside. It smells good just like the shampoo does. Next is the hair milk, the Avocado Infusion hair milk. It moisturizes and nourishes and imparts lustrous shine for dry, brittle hair, made with natural ingredients, suitable for all curl types, and 8 fluid ounces. I love for my hair to be shiny, so it sounds like this product's gonna be a good one. Now this one smells like a type of butter, and I'm not exactly sure which one, but it smells like a butter, but also like oils. So I would say that their scents overall are very like natural. So this next one is the Coconut Mango Hair Butter. It restores moisture and elasticity and for dry, brittle hair, made with natural ingredients, suitable for all curl types, and is 8 fluid ounces. Oh, wow. This is really, I don't know why, but it reminds me of like Halloween. Like, what are some Halloween scents? The second ingredient in here is mango sea butter. And then there's coconut oil. There's shea butter, definitely smelling all those mixed right now. Very natural scented, and I'm thinking it's not like herbal, it's like natural, like the natural actual ingredients, no fragrances, like no fragrant scent. And the last thing is the nourishing hair oil. It nourishes and seals, helps to prevent split ends, promotes hair growth, imparts lustrous shine. It's for dry, brittle hair, made with natural ingredients, suitable for all curl types, and this is 4 fluid ounces. Okay, so this oil smells just like the hair butter. It has olive oil, broccoli seed oil, avocado oil, sage. Yeah. Their ingredients are definitely all natural. Every single bottle says all natural ingredients, and everything is for all curl types and for dry, brittle hair. So it seems like their main focus is to make sure your hair is moisturized which is very important because, you know, sometimes some products do one thing well, but they don't always make sure your hair is moisturized. And it seems like all these products are going to make sure that happens. Definitely appreciate that, because without moisture, what do we have, y'all? For real, like, what do we have without moisturized hair? But that is all I have for you guys today. Be on the lookout because more content with these products are coming very, very, very soon. Let me show you guys the front of the box. So cute. I love the branding. I just love yellow. Anything with yellow just makes me so happy. Even though blue is my favorite color, I love yellow. But that's all I have for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can also find some other coupon codes down there along with this one. Once I get it, I will add it to the description box. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.